Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Our today's video is going to be important for all the IT employees because we are going to discuss about the IT services based companies and their downfall. We will also discuss and prove the rise of GCCs, that is Global Capability Centers. We will discuss about the fluidities in companies like TCS and Infosys. We will discuss about project release and what exactly is catfishing. On top of that, a lot of people have received the offer letters, but they have not received the joining letters. We will discuss what will be the possible date when they will be getting the joining, and we will also discuss what is causing a lot of trouble for HR and the IT companies. Without wasting any more time, let us move forward. The number one thing is that IIT Madras is setting AI for Bharat Lab, which is developing Indian language capability AI open source stack, okay, that anyone can use. Now you might be thinking what is important about it. So what happened at that particular event, you might recognize this person. He is none other than the chairman of Infosys and the co-founder, that is Nandan Nilekani. So basically he said that AI is bigger opportunity than PCs, internet, or even smartphones. Now you all might know that there was a lot of debate that is happening that AI is a hype. Definitely MIT survey that mentioned that AI's Gen AI projects are failing kind of thing. So 5% are successful, but that 5% will be in like encompassing all of the others who are on downturn, right? So what exactly he's mentioned that AI is a bigger opportunity, and he also mentioned one more important thing that wish I was 40 years younger. So at that particular point of time in his 20s or in his 30s, he kind of co-founded Infosys, right, which is a very big company now. So he's saying that wish I was 40 years younger so that I could have also like get my hands dirty on this particular AI stuff and learned about it, right? The next important update is that, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We put in a lot of hard work, we put in a lot of efforts to create all these videos for all of you guys. Okay, please subscribe. The next important thing is that we already discussed about fluidity list, and we have received a lot of comments in the comment section for this YouTube video that we made. I will give the link in the description. If you have not watched it, do watch it and just check out what exactly is happening in the IT industry, particularly at TCS. Why people are saying that you have to butter your manager, you have to have good relations with your manager. We have discussed everything in detail in that video. We have shared what people are facing, what kind of emails the employees are getting, what kind of managers, what kind of salary that the employees are having in that video. Next important thing is that we are soon going to create a video on documents after resignation. If you are someone who is willing to like resign from the current company, what are the documents that you should keep in mind? Resignation, acceptance, service letter, retention, or if you are getting retention, okay, in that particular company, then what are the documents or emails that you should have from your current organization or current employer? We have also discussed about new compensation letters. Suppose you are having offer swapping, right? You are trying to get more and more offers, and the offer that you have got around 16 lakhs per annum. You are going to other company and telling them that I have 16 lakhs of offer, give me 18 lakhs or give me 20 lakhs. So I will be explaining that also in that video. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel, right? Next important thing is regarding GCCs, right? Now, as you all know that 50% tariff has been already hit on Indian companies, okay, which are exporting their services. Now, what is the most big industry after textile, okay, around textile also? What is the biggest industry that is exporting something to the USA? That is the IT and BPS, right? So business processing services, consulting services, and IT, okay, and processing services. These are the service sector that is contributing a lot to India's GDP, around 7 to 10%, which is again offering the outsourcing kind of things to American or US based companies, right? So now they have got around 50% of tariffs. So what has happened, right? So earlier there was a macroeconomic situation where IT companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Capgemini, Cognizant, they were facing a lot of troubles because they were not getting more projects from the clients. Okay, there were no new projects, and the existing projects which were in pipeline were put on hold due to this macroeconomic situation, the war things, the tariff thing, and other things, right? That is the reason the services might get expensive for US based big product companies, which are offered by TCS, Infosys, and other companies, right? So that is the reason. There is one more important and interesting thing that is happening. There is a shift that is happening. There is a tectonic shift that is happening basically in the Indian IT sector, wherein big global capability centers are being established, okay, particularly in India, in cities like Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Pune, Delhi NCR, Chennai, Mumbai, and Kolkata. This is the latest report, okay, from Trade Brains, and they are stating that in the H1, that is half one of 2025, you will see the year-on-year growth is around 64% in Bengaluru. In Pune, it is 188%, which is a very big like jump. Okay, then you can see Delhi NCR, Chennai also 68, and Kolkata it is reducing. Okay, so that is not specified yet, but you can see that top GCCs are being setting their offices in Pune, Bangalore, and even in Chennai. So this is rising, and okay, so here you can see that there are flexible working, technology, and GCCs. Most of the places are having technology and GCCs capability centers that are being set up. Why? Because big companies, right, they want full access, they want full control on the employees, they want full control on how the project is released, on how the project is being received. Okay, they want full control on the technology that is being used in the project, they want full control of the access rights, they want full control of whatever happening in the project and hiring and other things. So that is the reason they are partnering up with these companies for 4 5 years, and then they will be establishing their own entity altogether. Okay, so this is what is happening, right? And for that, okay, these companies are also paying 30 to 40% more salaries compared to the IT service based companies, which is again a good thing for the Indian employees, right? And for that, you might be thinking how you can apply for GCCs. It is very simple, right? You already have Naukri.com, you already have Indeed.com, but there is something that is more important, that is LinkedIn. Okay, so we are soon starting a series of creating videos on LinkedIn, how to optimize your LinkedIn so that you can get better visibility, how you can optimize your LinkedIn. So whenever you are asking for a referral for a person, okay, for yourself or for your friends or for yourself particularly, and you're going to someone who is working in the companies, the GCCs, right? So they should look at your profile. If they go through it, if they go through your resume, then they should find it worth to refer you, okay, to refer you. And that is how they will be also getting some kind of referral bonus in their own company. But you will be always clearing the rounds, right? You should have to clear the interview rounds, and you have to join that particular company. So we will also discuss everything about applying for this GCCs in the LinkedIn video, the series that we are planning of 5 videos. Okay, do let us know in the comment section that what do you think about the series, should we create it or not? Okay, do let us know. The next important thing is about we have already created a video about Naukri.com, how to optimize your profile, how to update your profile, right? If you're not getting any interview calls, how you can optimize that, right? So basically, Naukri.com we have already done. LinkedIn we are soon going to do. I will give the link in the description box. You can go and check out the Naukri.com video, right? The next important thing is that I want to discuss is about the joining. Okay, now a lot of people are troubled. A lot of people who are passed out of 2024 or even 2025, they have got the offer letters, but they are still waiting for the joining letters. So if you are someone who is waiting for the joining letter, okay, you have already accepted the offer letter in November and December 2024, and you have still not received the joining letter, then let me tell you guys that in the two different communities by TCS, it is mentioned that the joining dates, okay, for some of the candidates, that they will be receiving the offer letter soon, and that will be for 11th of September and 18th of September. Yes, this is not yet confirmed, this is not yet finalized, but these are the possible dates that you can get, okay, if you have accepted the offer letter in November or December 2024. Okay, so this is for 2024 pass out. 2025 pass out also might also get the joining soon, maybe in the October month. Okay, next thing is about the first thing that we talked about, right? Catfishing. What exactly is that? So a lot of Gen Z people are doing these, that if they're getting a job opportunity from one company, they tell them that we are joining there, and on the at the last minute itself, on the last day, on the first day when they are about to join the company, they tell the employer that we are not joining, they don't pick up the calls, and this is what is causing a lot of troubles for a lot of candidates. Okay, so this is not something new that is happening, but what Gen Z is doing is they're not telling the HRs or the companies even 1 week before, right? So you should have the dignity to tell them that, hey, I have got a better opportunity and I will not be joining that particular your particular company, your particular organization. You should always at least tell them, have a buffer time of like what, 1 week at least, so that they can find another candidate and they can offer them a good package who was not selected because you were selected, right? So this is not kind of unfair. Okay, this is unfair with other candidates also, because the HR has finalized you, the HR is counting on you that you will be joining the company, but still you are not doing that, right? So it is somewhat not unethical. Okay, it is not ethical. So that is the reason that is causing a lot of trouble for HRs. See, offer swapping and like getting a better package is not a bad thing, definitely. But you should sometimes understand that someone else is not getting a job because you got an offer, right? The HR definitely might be having multiple roles. They might be having multiple candidates that they have shared the offer letter to. And there is vice versa also, that sometimes some people get offer letter and when they are going to join, okay, they don't have any other counter offers. So they are consistently waiting for the joining date, and at the joining date the HR mentions that we have onboarded some other candidate because that was immediate joiner. So these things also happen, but there should be some kind of like ethicalness, right, in particular this. kind of field, right? So do let us know in the comment section, have you encountered such scenario wherein the candidate has mentioned that I'll be joining and is not joining the team or the project, right, or the company, or if you have done that vice versa, right? Do let us know in the comment section. Till then, I would just like to ask you all to please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have already not done that. And please don't forget to share this video with all of your friends who are working in the IT industry. This video might be a little lengthy, but definitely I hope that it is worth it. Okay. Please do subscribe and share this video with all of your friends who are working in the IT industry and the non-IT industry as well. Thank you and have a great day ahead.